Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am here again with a video for today. I recorded videos for the future over the weekend because I'm not allowed to play right now. Sneaking this one video to make. Well, I pre-made some, and none of the videos recorded my voice, so that's extremely awkward. Found a new gun that I extremely love. Dish one. I don't know why. It's awesome. It's just rape. I can rape. Yeah, you get the point. Lego. Oh yeah, I was gonna say trophy called Old School Back. I love 1911. You see how dopely I would have entered and just murdered?
We got the lead now. Keep it in.
I just have this not addiction, but thing where every time I get a kill, I have to reload. I just can't stop it. Oh, God, I'm trying not to do it, but it just happens. What? Add to the 10 mil. 10 mil kills. What the fuck? I did reload. Wait, let me check real quick. Did we get already? What did I get in this? Potato. Boost, okay. That guy just went. Oh, you fucking ran right past me. That's all on you. That's all your fault. Yeah, bitch. Oh, that's bad aiming on my part. Hella off. God damn it. Okay, I'm gonna check real quick on my pooter to see how many kills we've gotten so far from the community challenge. Yeah, I should just quit gaming and just go straight for the music industry. Just with my voice, just not even sing. It's not even singing. I'll just beats with my mouth. It's like a mix of beatboxing and singing, but it kind of sucks. Go. For fuck's sake. Where'd he go? Ooh, son. Yeah, I speak different languages when I get in situations like that. Unexpected situations. I just slur it out. You gotta get fucked up tonight. Noob. Little kids. Think they can go mac and cheesy on me? Not today, bitch. Not today, bitch. Look at that bitch trying to mac and cheese on me. Girlfriend. Slut. Yep. Lean in the left, thinking he's all cool and shit. I can do that. Ooh, I leaned right though. Does that make me even cooler? Please, I just wanna have friends. Oh god, I hear fucking shots. New time. Where's my catalog?
Shit, and try to pull it off, just leaves foam shit stuck in the wall.
That kind of Ain't nobody gonna shoot you. Safety's on. What up, bitch? Whoops. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Oh my god! I would have been so fucked. Gold ended. Oh, we already got it? What the fuck? So, I'm supposed to have a gold pack, right? Right? Fucking right? Where's my gold pack, bitch? Uh-oh, that's all. This isn't good. Not good, not good, my friend. Not good. Collectively grab 10 million dog tags before end of mission. Gold pack. Time left. Ended. 10 million out of 10 million. We got it. And I don't have my gold pack. I just got ripped, guys. I got ripped by Dash. Like, we have to like at least play a game or something? Yeah, ho. Yeah. Fucks with me. Take that grenade, bitch. Fucks with me. Scary. I don't like that. You scared me. Kill him. Ooh, kill him. Wow. Oh, God. That kid got fucked. That kid just got grilled cheesed on. Ain't nobody gonna steal my mac and cheese. Oh, shitted on. I just got shitted on. Big spadoodle on over my noodles. That just happened. Damn. I was like, no, that place. Oh my god. Oh, what? Yes. Yeah. Motherfucker. Can't stop reloading. Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop ground. Ah, shit! Yeah! Traded. We traded. Yeah, boy. Oh, I heard something. Might just be a ribbon, but I don't care. I'm achieving something in my mommy's room, so I don't care. I swear to God, this gold pack thing, it's kind of fucking annoying me. Like, I deserve it. I deserve it. You know how many kills? You know how many mats I got? I got about 30 to contribute to that 10 million. So yeah, I deserve it. I did enough work than really needed. Because I think like there's, I don't know who plays. I was about to say man, that play this. I don't know. Ah! Ow! What? Whoa. That's a how. How the fuck do you get up to that? What? What? Wait a fuck. Oh. Bitch! PDW. Goodbye. Got him. Got him. Didn't even see it coming. Didn't even see that coming. We got a slap. My favorite combo to get out of a situation and run and then slide. Oh, hold on. That's awkward. It was just my dog's phone. My ringtone doesn't do that. That's not my notification noise. Nah, man. Nah, I'm a manly man. Look at this kill streaks I'm going on, man. That couldn't have not have been of me. I thought he was already up there, but I heard the parachute. Oh, I heard him. I had like hearing senses. I swear to God, I heard him. Oh! Get the fuck out of my face? How about that? Yeah! It's my second service stupid. Service store. Can't say that right. Service store. Oh god, I'm in a glitch. Help! What the? What the fuck? What? What just happened? What? What? Thank you, friend. You don't know how to revive. Oh yeah, to let you guys know, to revive correctly, hold down on the PS3 R1, hold it so it rubs together, and once the more you hold it, the more health you'll get once revived. So that's helpful. I learned that from my Negro Ricky. Oh, just pretend I'm black. Okay, do that for me.
Come on, only 2 more to go.
I did it for him. I mean, he told me about it. What? He told me about it. Very helpful. So you don't have to revive, throw a health back. Just hold those paddles together. Just rub them, bam! Fucking revive and 100% health. Maybe 88. I've been getting 88 a lot, but they get health. Health for days. Cap reach. Cap reach 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 PDW ribbons. 5. Can you count the 5? I didn't think that. Okay. Can I click pause? Okay. Well, hope you enjoyed. Joyed. Hope you enjoyed. What the fuck? Yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Click that like. Subscribe. Maybe. Please. S'il vous plaît. Yeah, I speak French. Jealous much. Okay. Well, bye. Hope you enjoyed. Really do. And adios.